guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, Galaxy. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a quick and easy chocolate pie. You'll need chocolate chips. Well, it's optional, but I like to sprinkle it on top of the whipped cream. It makes it look better and taste better. And you'll need 2 packages of chocolate instant pudding and pie filling. We got a cheap one and a more expensive one. Oh, dropped it. And it has to be 4 servings per container, it says. And of course a pie crust. A whole package of it actually. This size, not a big one. And milk. Okay, now pause it. And this is the recipe. I cut it out. It came on this graham cracker crust that I got. Can't really tell, but this is what it is. Okay, it requires 1 1/4 cups of cold milk. There we go. Let me grab a bowl. Open your chocolate pudding. We're just going to pour that in there. And of course open your other one and dump that in there. There we go. Now we're going to turn this on. Whoa. Whoa. Wait, let me see. I have to put in the whipped topping. Half of it.
Don't you have to whip the pudding first? Oh, it's nice out.
I think I should do it with the... I'm deciding to switch to a whisk because this was making powder go everywhere. Let's just get half of that. There we go. Almost done with that part. There. Now I'm going to go grab my whisk. Take a little bit, so I'll get back to you when I'm done mixing.
Pot. You give me a minute and I'll finish.
Adding a little tiny bit more milk because it's a bit too thick.
Oh, my phone.
I'm gonna put the mix into the pie pan, into the crust. It's kind of hard to get it off the whisk.
They're swinging kids down there. They're taking their arms and legs, and the parents are holding on to them and swinging them. Isn't that funny?
You know what? I'll get back to you when I'm done.
That's better.
Okay. Gonna just scrape that off. Don't worry, my hands are clean. There we go. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. Now I'm gonna put the whipped topping on top. Just gonna spread that so that it's all on it. It looks delicious. This is only my second time making it, but last time everybody loved it. Just a little more. And as you can see, I've used all of the whipped cream. Somehow a little bit of the chocolate got in there. So yeah, you will need a whole tub of this whipped cream. Now, for my favorite part, we're gonna put the chocolate chips on. Whoa. That makes it look even more beautiful and delicious. This is gonna be so good. Little more. I love chocolate, as you can tell. One more handful. Just gonna spread it along so that it's not all in the middle. There we go. And that's how you make. Here's Tori. She was the one videoing this whole thing. And of course, I was the one making the pie. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye. Oh yeah, and you have to put it in the fridge for a little while until you're ready to eat it.